Hello, everyone. We are looking at phase 7, chapter vectors and exercise 1. We are question number 4. Question number 4, we can see this is quite a long question. A lot of subparts are there. So I'm not going to go through all the subparts because they are basically repeat concept. The first one, we have to write the vector equation. The points are given to us and we have to find the equation. We have already done this concept before. The second one is again a position vector of point is given to us and we have to write it in the vector form. And we have to show that basically it is perpendicular to the earlier line. So again, the parallel, if the two lines are parallel, so basically the parallel vectors are perpendicular to each other. So we have to find the dot of the two things and we have to show that is equal to 0. So again, these two concepts have been previously covered. And the third one is we have to find the point of intersection, the same concept that we have done in the earlier chapter, or sorry, the earlier question, that we have to write this position, the point of intersection, as the parametric coordinate of each of the line and then just match the two, all the three components. So if this is PQ, this is OT, then the point is written as the parametric coordinate. So again, this we have already covered. So the fourth part is where I want to just go through here. So this is a concept, this is a very important concept where from a point we have to find the perpendicular distance to a given line. So this point is given to us in this case 0, 0, 0. And also the line is also given to us. Matlab we have found out already. So just let me find the equation of line PQ here. So I am going to take just any of the point. So 5i plus 2j minus 9k. So this is a position vector plus I'm taking lambda as a parameter. And then the PQ vector. So PQ vector is 4, 1. So I. And 2 minus 4 is minus 2. And minus 9 plus 6. So minus 3. एक बार check कर लेते हैं. So plus 3. So this is basically the equation of this given line. So it is important to write in the vector form because it is very easy to write the coordinate of this point, which is the foot of the perpendicular. So foot of perpendicular. So we have to first find the foot of the perpendicular and then this point is given to us, then we can use the distance formula. How do we find the foot of perpendicular? So first write the point M in the parametric coordinate. So 5 plus lambda, 2 minus 2 lambda, 2 minus 2 lambda, and minus 3, minus 9 plus 3. So minus 9 plus 3 lambda. I hope I have done the calculation correct, but you can always check. So once the coordinate of M is given to us, then OM is nothing but whatever the points are, we can just write it with ijk. So that will be the position vector or the vector form. So if this has to be perpendicular to this line, meaning PM, I don't know why I wrote P, OM. So that means OM is perpendicular to this vector. So we can just use the dot product here. So OM dot I minus 2j plus 3k. And this must be 0 because it is given to us as perpendicular. So 5 plus lambda minus 2 is minus 4 plus 4 lambda and 3 minus 27 and plus 9 lambda is equal to 0. 5, 9, 10, 14. And then this is 27, 28. Okay. So 14 lambda is equal to minus 27 and maybe we can just check it. We can check the calculation here. It should be 9 plus 10 plus 14. And then this is 27 minus 126. उल्टा होना चाहिए. Just let's do a quick check. So 1 minus 2 plus 3. And this is 5 plus lambda. 2 minus 2, correct? Minus 9 plus 3. Okay, so now I multiply 1 with it. So 1 plus, then minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus 4. Yes, I है. Then 3 minus 27 plus 9 minus 27 plus 9. So it should be 14 lambda plus 28. कहीं से तो plus 27. I don't know. यहाँ पे कुछ we can check. So doesn't matter. We can find. I think if we just do the calculation correctly, we'll get 14 lambda is equal to 28. So lambda is equal to 2. We will get lambda is equal to 2. Just check the calculation somewhere. There must be something wrong. So after putting lambda here, after we put lambda ka value here, so this is 7, then 2, 4, 2 minus 2, and then again I put 2 here, so 6 minus 3. And then the distance will be 49 plus 9 plus 4. So okay, root 54 we will get, root 54. एक बार let's, if we can just check एक बार 5, 2 minus 9, ये तो correct है. 4 minus 5 minus 4 is correct. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 9 plus 6 is minus. Okay. Got the mistake. So it is minus 3 here. So ये भी minus 3 हो गया यहाँ पे. 9 minus 3 here. Okay, 9 minus 3 here. ये minus 3. Minus 2j minus 3k. So we have to now multiply with 1 के साथ ये ठीक था. ये भी correct है 2 के साथ. So minus 3. So this is basically plus. So plus 27 plus 1 is 28. So ये correct है. So we will get lambda minus 3 into minus 27 plus 9. Okay. So 27 plus 1, 28. So minus 28, ये minus 2 होगा. Lambda is equal to minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Sorry, 3. Minus 2 is plus 4. So 6. And minus 2 is 6 minus 3. So 36 and 18. So 54. Root 50. So take care. The point is that these are the kind of errors that you can also expect and you can check your answers. But because I had done it before, so I knew something was going wrong here. So you can find PQ vector and then we can do. All right. So that's it. All right. Thank you.